Hey guys, let's talk about the science behind female face shaving with benefit number one being removing that hair and exfoliation. So one of my absolute favorite parts of shaving is that not only are you removing that vellus hair from the skin, but you're also removing the dulling dead skin cell layer that happens to sit on top of the skin. That dead skin will actually keep your skincare products from effectively penetrating. So you're gonna get better results from your skincare. And of course, your makeup application is gonna look so much better too. So let's talk about the second benefit of shaving your face, smoother makeup application. If you look at the girl on the left, her makeup looks a little more cakey, not quite as smooth. Again, when we're removing that dead skin cell layer and those hairs, you guys, our makeup is not getting caught in them. We don't have to use as much. If you look at the image on the right, makeup is gonna just sit really smoothly on top of the skin. Okay, and third, helping to lighten dark spots and acne scars. You see, the act of shaving itself is actually going to stimulate blood flow, which is going to lead to lower epidermis advantages as well, such as increasing that blood flow and turning over new skin cells. And benefit number four being collagen production. Let's talk about the anti-aging element. So shaving your face is actually going to stimulate the skin the same way a mild microdermabrasion would. This is going to turn over those new skin cells, which is also going to increase collagen production in the skin, helping you with all of the fantastic anti-aging benefits we're all looking for. And now on to addressing those myths. No, your hair is not going to grow back thicker, darker, coarser, faster, or blacker. There is a proper way to shave, okay? So if you look at the image on the left here, the video on the left, that's the proper way to shave. You're gonna shave with the direction the hair grows. If you shave against the direction the hair grows, you're gonna feel that your hair is growing back coarser or thicker because it's gonna cut it off at a blunt edge. When you actually shave in the direction the hair grows, you cut it off at an angle and it grows back exactly the same as it was before you ever shaved. And addressing some of the most frequently asked questions, can you shave with acne? You absolutely can. You're just going to need to make sure you avoid any areas of inflammation. You don't want to accidentally shave over one of those and spread bacteria on the other parts of your face. What should you do if you're scared? You should test out a little area. No one's telling you you have to do your whole face. Test out an area first. See for yourself how your hair is going to grow back. Make sure you don't have any sort of reaction to the practice itself. And of course, if you need us, we're here. Reach out. We have an entire support team for you.